Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. Are you getting an account error or cannot get mail message on your iPhone? Do not worry, this is a common issue, and in this video, I will show you simple step-by-step solutions to fix it quickly. And before that, here's what we will cover. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Step 2. Re-enter your email password. Step 3. Refresh Mail Sync. Step 4. Remove and re-add your email account. Step 5. Update your iPhone. Step 6. Reset network settings. Let us jump right in. Step number 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working. Try opening Safari or YouTube. If nothing loads, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Step 2. Re-enter your email password. Sometimes the issue is just an incorrect or expired password. Go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, select your account, tap Account, then re-enter your password. Step number 3. Refresh Mail Sync. Now let us refresh your email connection. Go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, select your email, turn off mail, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Step number 4. Remove and re-add your email account. If the error is still there, try this. Go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, select your email, tap Delete Account, restart your iPhone, add your account again. This fixes most issues. Step number 5. Update your iPhone. Always keep your iPhone updated. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates. Step number 6. Reset network settings. If nothing works, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. This will remove saved Wi-Fi password. And that's it. One of these methods should fix your email issue on iPhone. And hey, for disclaimer purposes only, this video is for educational purposes only. The steps shown are general troubleshooting methods and may vary depending on your email provider and iOS version. Always ensure your login details are correct and avoid sharing personal information with unauthorized sources. And if this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you're still having problems, comment down your exact error. I will try to help you out. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.